Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Weihang. Today we'll be practicing the next 3 compound finals. Let's get started. The first one today. Ow. When you pronounce the ow sound, it has 2 single finals, a and o. So just simply make them together. A, o, ow. Ow. Let's give it a try. The first one. 老老帽帽 Good. The second one today. O O. Yes, when you pronounce the O sound, first put the O I start and then simply move to U sound. So it sounds like O, U, O, O. When you finish this sound, please make sure your mouth is almost closed. Now let's give it a try. The first. 有有头头 Did you get that? The third one today. 优优 When you pronounce the U sound, first, please make sure the E sound is perfectly pronounced, and then simply add U at the end. E, U, U, U. Have you got that? The first one. 流流酒酒 Good! That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, kindly leave your comment below or give me a thumb up. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye!